Most people on the internet only tell you to fix your back posture. But have you ever paid attention to your neck? Nowadays, almost everyone has weak neck posture. Maybe even you have it. And the scary part is, you will not even know if your neck is weak until it starts creating huge problems for you, such as neck pain, headaches, and most importantly, breathing difficulties. But don't worry, because I am about to fix your neck posture just by telling you how to fix it. Obviously, your weak neck doesn't need some Shaolin exercise to fix it. Instead, you only need these 2 movements daily. And congrats, your neck is finally safe. The first exercise is chin tucks. Yeah, chin tucks. This tiny movement is basically a reset button for your neck. All you need to do is sit straight, pull your chin slightly backward, and make a double chin for 3 to 5 seconds. That's it. You are not trying to look majestic. You are literally turning your neck from sleeping shrimp posture back into a human posture. This exercise trains the deep neck muscles that got abandoned after years of staring down at phones. Just try to do 10 reps daily. Now, the second exercise is the band pull apart. Grab a resistance band with both hands and stretch it outward until your arms open wide. While pulling, squeeze your shoulder blades together. This exercise fixes the upper back muscles that secretly destroy your neck posture. Because most people think bad neck posture means neck problem. But nope, half the time, your weak upper back is the real villain. Do 12 to 15 slow reps daily. And trust me, if you combine these 2 exercises with better sitting posture, it can completely change your neck posture.